Let's go to the introduction part of chi-square test. Here it is a chi-square. Now we are learning a method 1, test for goodness of fit. Here several steps are there. Step number 1, h naught. It is a two conditions, h naught, h1. H naught, there is no significant difference from the observed frequency. H1 means there is significant difference from the observed frequency. These are two conditions. This will be applied at the last in a conclusion. Step 2. Step 2, psi square or x square. We also call psi square or x square. It is a formula, summation of 0 minus e whole square by e. Summation of 0 minus e whole square by e. Here 0 is the observed frequency. 0 is observed frequency. E is expected frequency. These all elements will come under table. By using this all, we have to construct a table. Step 3, table value at significance level of significance. Here this value will be 0.05. Psi square is equals to n minus 1. It is a n means number of observed data. This also I will explain in table. Df means degrees of freedom. In conclusion, we have to write this part. If x square is less means this x square value is less than this value, then h naught is accepted. If x square value is more than significance value, then h naught is rejected. Just remember this too. If this value is less, h naught is accepted. If this value is more, x square value is more, h naught is rejected. Now try to solve a question. The following table gives the number of aircraft accidents that occurred during the various days of the week. It is a table, days and number of accidents in a day. Find whether the accidents are uniformly distributed over the week. Here we are supposed to construct a table. 0 means these values are, we have to write under 0. 14, 16, Tuesday 8, Wednesday 20, Thursday 11, Friday 9, Saturday 14. So these values are written under this column 0. E means total zeros by n. We have to add this all values and we have to divide by number of observed frequencies. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to divide by 7. Let's add this. Let's add this all values. 14 plus 16 plus 8 plus 20 plus 11 plus 9 plus 14. We got 92. We got the sum 92. Here 92 by n. N means number of frequencies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 92 by 7, we get 13.14. Now E value is 13.14. Fill this column with 13.14. 13.14. Fill like this, 13.14. Now come to the third column. 0 minus e whole square. 0 means 14, e means 13.14. We have to subtract 14 minus 13.14. and that product, that answer should be, we have to square it. Now let's see. 14 minus 13.14, we got 0.86 and we have to square it. We got the value 0.7396. 0.7396 means round figure 0.74. And next, 16 minus 13.14. 16 minus 13.14. Value is 2.86. 2.86 and we have to square it. The value is 8.18. Next, 8 minus 13.14. 8 minus 13.14. Decimal value is 5.14 minus 5.14 whole square. The value is 26.42. And next, 20 minus 13.14. 20 minus 13.14. Value is 6.86. If we square this value, we get 47.06. Isn't it? Next, 11 minus 13.14. We get minus 2.14. Minus 2.14. Have to square it. We get 4.58. Next, 9 minus 13.14. 9 minus 13.14. Value is minus 4.14. If we square it, 17.14. Next, the last one, 14 minus 13.14. 14 minus 13.14. 0.86. We get 0.86 and we have to square it. We get 0.74. And these are the values. These are the values of 0 minus e whole square. These are the values. Now come to the fourth column. Fourth column is this value. This value by e means this value by this value. 0.74 by 13.14. 0.74 by 13.14. We get 0.056. Okay. 8.18 by 13.14. We get 0.62. 26.42 by 13.14. We get 2.01. 47.06 by 13.14. We get 3.58. 4.58 by 13.14. We get 0.348. 17.14 by 13.14. We get 1.304. 0.74 by 13.14. We get 0.056. These are these values. Okay. Now we completed the table and we go to the calculate the value of x square. We have to calculate the value x square or psi square. Summation of 0 minus e whole square by e means we have to add these all values and we get the x square value. Now let's add 0.056 plus 0.62 plus 2.01 plus 3.58 plus 0.348 plus 1.304 plus 0.056. We get 7.97. X square value is 7.97. Okay. Now write the table value at 5% level of significance. Sigma square is equals to n minus 1 degree of freedom. N means number of frequency, observed frequency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 1 degrees of freedom is equals to 6 TF. For a 6 degree of freedom, the value is 12.59. Sigma x square is equals to 12.59. Now come to conclusion part. From the solution we get x square is equals to 7.97. Sigma x square value is 12.59. X square value is smaller than sigma x square value. Right, 7.97 is smaller than 12.59. Here condition is H0 is accepted because x square is smaller than x sigma square. It is the value smaller than this value.